Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a photo design using just your mobile. We will start with a simple photo and turn it into a clean existing design. Click the import button, go to the gallery